What is the principle of laser plastic welding? Real photos of plastic welding using Hans laser welding equipment. After the laser beam passes through the upper transparent material, the energy is absorbed by the surface of the lower workpiece, causing it to melt. Then, the heat causes the upper layer of material to melt through. Thermal conduction and local heat causes the material to expand, forming internal welding pressure. This pressure, along with the pressure applied by external mechanical fixtures, ensures the formation of a firm and stable weld seam. Compared to traditional welding methods, laser plastic welding has advantages, such as high precision, high strength, and beautiful weld seams. The welded product has good airtightness, and the thermal stress on the welded parts is minimized. It can also achieve three-dimensional complex contour welding. Hans Laser has multiple plastic welding equipment and can be matched with customized fixtures to meet your various plastic welding needs.